Okay, so here we see our experimental setup of our Hall effect sensor being held near our tooth wheel with the magnets attached to it. And over here on the screen we can see at the top right the input to our sensor, and at the bottom right we have the output of our filter at which DC has been filtered out. You can see that the top signal centered around 0.5 and our filter signal centered around 0. Then at the bottom left we have a measurement of RPM calculated from the difference in peaks from the magnets. So right now we're at 190 RPM, and as Andrew increases the speed of the motor we should see the RPM measured increasing. Takes a bit for the measurements to stabilize, but we can see that over a short range of frequencies that we can measure accurately the RPM of the motor.